Alright, so our January batch items are here. Look at the photos, so lovely. As in, just exactly as seen. As in, exactly. Oh my. Like opening it so you see how it looks like. So real. Wow. Look at it. It's not beautiful. Exactly just the way it was on the picture. Look at it. This is beautiful. So if you mixed it, wow, it's lovely, guys. So fine. Oh my god. So fine. So fine. Let's see how the white looks like. Still the same. I believe my camera is making justice to it. It's really popping. Look at it. My camera is really making justice to this. Wow, looking so fine. Okay. Wow. Gave us exactly the designs we picked. And I'm so grateful for that. So fine. Look at this one. Same with this. Then look at this one. The mouth design. So fine. Alright. Then look at this one. These are panties. So fine. The design too lovely. The Sophia characters, different characters. So fine. Okay, look at our Bangkok lotion. Fine too. These are bamboo toothpaste. Beautiful. And our smartwatch is here. And this is our sequin slipper. Oh my, are you seeing it? It's giving. You seeing the black? So fine. It's really making justice to it. Look at the wine. Wow. So what we have here? Okay, this is, yes. Now I love this airport. Wait, let me show you. We're going to run it again. The packaging of the airport is top notch. As in, wow, I love it. So let me just open it again for you to see it. See how it is. So fine. Let me just open it. I really missed it. I didn't even get it for myself. So fine. Look at our Vaseline oil. So fine. You can see it. So fine. This is can you see that? This is a Vaseline lotion. So fine. And everything in good condition. Oh, bless God for that. So you can see this. Can you see how big it looks? So fine too.